Most manufacturing CEOs track revenue, orders, and expenses closely. Yet, many of them are shocked when their margins shrink month after month. The surprising truth, most profit leaks don't happen in the boardroom. They happen right on the shop floor, often unnoticed. Hi, I'm Shrikant Prabhudesai. I work with manufacturing businesses to protect margins, improve delivery, and cut costs so owners can finally see the profits they've earned, not just on paper, but in reality, cash in the bank. Let's break down where your profit actually disappears. First, consider material wastage. On the surface, it looks small, scrap here, rework there, but over time, these small losses add up. One misplaced batch of raw material, repeated reworks, or off-spec production can quietly eat away at 2 to 5% of your margin. Most businesses only notice when costs spike in the accounting report, but by then the damage is done. Next, labor inefficiency. This isn't about having too many people, it's about how their time is spent. If operators wait on materials, machines break down frequently, or there is confusion on the process, productive hours are lost, and over time, to cover these gaps, and suddenly labor costs skyrocket without any visible increase in output. Then let's talk about downtime and bottlenecks. A single machine idling for even an hour a day over months can cost lakhs in lost production. But because it's not recorded as a cost, it quietly erodes margins. Often, these are avoidable with proper maintenance schedules, training, and workflow optimization. Another silent killer is quality-related losses, defective products, missed specification, or returns from clients. These are not just customer service issues. Each rejection is lost material, labor, and shipping costs, all adding up. Many companies realize this only when reviewing quarterly results, but by then the cumulative impact is significant. Finally, inefficient processes. Even if everything else seems fine, materials, labor, machines, process gaps can cause hidden losses. Non-standard workflows, missing checks, or lack of accountability create small, repeated inefficiencies that add up faster than most owners imagine. So, what's the solution? First, get visibility. Track key metrics like scrap rates, machine utilization, labor efficiency, and rework costs, not just in accounting reports, but on the shop floor daily. Second, identify the bottlenecks or leak points and fix them systematically. Sometimes, even small process tweaks can recover a few percentage points in margin immediately. And third, create accountability. People should see the impact of deviations in real time, so corrections happen immediately rather than being noticed months later. Profit leaks on the shop floor are silent and they don't announce themselves. But once you start looking closely, you will find that most losses are preventable. The goal isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter, identify the hidden drains, and seal them consistently. When you do this, even existing resources produce better margins and growth becomes visible, sustainable, and predictable.